Hello, I am Mia. This is Grandma Rose.
Hello, children. Look at my flower. It is small.
Small flower. I am small too. And Grandma is tall. Whoa! The flower is big. Grandma is small.
Oh my! I am short now.
Oops, sorry.
A glitch.
The flower is small? Grandma is tall? No, Leo, look. The flower is big. Grandma is small. Big and small? Yes, say it with me. Big flower, tall grandma. Small flower, tall grandma!
Thank you. I am small, tall again.
You fixed it.
Tall, short.
Bye-bye.